Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a new motion canvas project with the exact canvas size you need. Choose 1920x 1080 for standard video. Import vector and bitmap assets right away and arrange them into named layers so you can animate logically. Set frame rate to match delivery, 24 for film, 30 or 60 for web, and turn on autosave. Once done, create a rough timeline order and add simple placeholders. This speeds iteration and prevents rework when you start keyframing. Now you'll build movement using the node graph and keyframes to control properties precisely. Link transforms with parent nodes so complex motion propagates. This reduces redundant keyframes. Animate position, scale, and rotation, then refine timing with easing curves. Ease in and ease out give natural motion. Preview often and enable motion blur for realism. Once comfortable, stagger sibling layers by small increments to create pleasing overlaps. This technique makes scenes feel deliberate rather than mechanical. To finish, optimize render settings. Pick codec and color profile, and render a short test clip to confirm quality and audio sync. Export either a PNG sequence for compositing or a compressed MP4 for delivery. Verify levels and check key visual frames. If rendering fails or playback stutters, clear the cache and restart motion canvas, then isolate problematic nodes by disabling complex expressions. If problems persist, simplify the node graph and re-render the smaller segment before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.